Kathy here at Terrace Honda, and I wanted to show you something quick here before the end of the day. We have some fun and new stuff here in the showroom, which is the Honda Pilot, of course, with the great outdoor package on it. It's got some really cool features, and of course the Honda vehicle tent, which is just a really unique experience all around. I'm going to turn this around here so I can show you. Okay. With the Honda Pilot outdoor package, you of course get things like the cargo bin on the roof rails and crossbars. You get those really nice running boards, the rims that are black and just very beautiful, not your usual stock rims, even though they're beautiful. But the big thing, of course, going with this, aside from a tow hitch package and a few other things, is this tent, and it fits over not just the Pilot, but you can do like a Honda Odyssey, you can actually do Honda Elements, you can do older and newer CRVs, and we're going to get a CRV in here maybe in a few days and show you that as well. But the neat thing about this is that aside from the quality, I mean, it's just really good, durable material, and these poles are sturdy, but the design is that you have two entrances. Like, you can set this up so you have an awning out the front here, straight out from the vehicle. As you can see, you can put a bed right in there, mattress, sleeping bags. It just basically extends your living area. Or depending on what your campsite is like, you can actually put an awning out the side if that works better for you. Anyways, the fact that it fits right around the vehicle keeps out the rain. You can put the kids in there with the entertainment center, or adults too, if that works for you. And you can drive your vehicle away. Like, you can unhook it and just tighten it all up so that the wind and rain don't come in until you come back and need to put it around the entrance to the vehicle again. Anyways, kind of cool. We're, of course, everybody's full on into summer season and camping and all that fun stuff. And you might like to actually have a tent that works with your vehicle. They're made to last, of course, like your Honda, good quality, and we'd love to hear from you. So happy Canada Day long weekend, and best of luck. Have a good evening.